Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to export or print notes from Notebooklm. In order to do that, you have to log in into your Notebooklm. From there you have to navigate to your conversations. Just simply click on, and from here you can just click on the briefing talks, or simply you can create a new note. Here you can see the new documents has been created. Simply click on it, and from here you can just simply copy all the text and select the text and just simply right click and copy. From here you have to navigate to Google Docs and simply click on it. Now here you can see the if you want to print this Google Docs, you can then simply click on Files, and from there you can see select print. Just simply select the print and print the whole document. So this is how you can print or export of notes of Notebooklm. If this video found helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.